instruction. I hope court has noted her protest on the name. Worship, I have instructions to apply today. Worship, I wish to indicate from the onset that at this stage, all the accused persons under our Constitution are presumed innocent. Whatever is stated at this stage remains an allegation. I also wish to state that from the nature of the offenses with which they are charged, first, they are within your powers to try, and secondly, it is within your discretion. It is within your discretion to consider their release on bail. With regard to the accused number 8,
that is Waiswa?
That is Waiswa Alex Mufumbiro. Your Worship, we agree with his description in the charge sheet as verified by the state. When they say he's a Ugandan, we agree. When they say he's 39 years of age, we agree. When they say he's a Musoga by tribe, we agree. Where they describe him as an officer and a lawyer, we agree. They have also given you his residence. So they have verified that he has a fixed place of abode. They have verified, Your Worship, the state has verified that he has a fixed place of abode at Mutungo, Zone 5, Nakawa Division. One of the requirements of a bail application is that he must be satisfied that the accused has a fixed place of abode. I don't know whether I should give the state a copy of this letter of LC because they have verified all that information.
So you're verifying to court, not to state.
So for purposes of court, I want to confirm and I urge you to agree with the state that he has a fixed place of abode at the location they have indicated. That letter confirms that. There is a letter of LC That letter is attached and it is stamped, and we have availed the original for purposes of court. It's the same. Your Worship, so my prayer there is that in terms of the fixed place of abode for A8. We invite you to agree with all of us, the state and the defense, that he has a fixed place of abode. I also wish to indicate in regard to A9 that is a married man, a family man, wedded. A8, the family man, wedded to another Ugandan citizen by the names of Katende. Katende. I have seen the wife in the court. I don't know if it is there. Right behind. Your Worship, the reason I've brought that aspect of his married man is that he has been instrumental in supporting his wife and children. The wife was diagnosed with cancer.
Proceed, state. Proceed, council.
You are not a court. You are not a court.